Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about crypto. Let's go through some XRP, and then in today's video we're actually going to go through some Bitcoins. So if we have a look, we've got loads of coins here. Some are tagged, some aren't. The ones that have a little dot are the ones that I'm keeping my eye on. So let's get straight into this then, shall we? These lines, let me just tell you straight off the bat, I do not move these lines at all. So once the lines are put, they are staying there forever. As you can see, we got this one. Perhaps we come back up to, let's say, I've just noticed this, but the line that I drawn right here would just so happen touch this resistance line. So maybe, for example, what I do is I just expand the line going across like that. And then as you can see, there's a resistance line there now. And that entire structure makes a lot more sense. But this red structure, I've had this plan since November, if not even from over here, July of 2020. And it has been playing out to almost the exact T. And I'm going to say that because it's only doing what I thought it would do, but on reverse, right? So I thought it would come and create like a head and shoulders pattern coming back to retest this line. It did that, but on the complete opposite direction. So it went down, created like this double bottom head and shoulders pattern, and then it's coming back up to retest this line, which is so weird, right? I have no idea. But I do think that if we do successfully test this line and we do continue higher, I think the price of about $1, yeah, around $1, probably makes a lot more sense. Maybe 99 cents because people will be expecting $1 and then they take profit at $1, but it never reaches there, so they get screwed over, and we come back down to test this upward trending line right there. So all of these lines right here are actually like what I've discovered are trend lines for the last 2 years. So for the entire bear market, I'm like, that's a trend line, that's a trend line, that's a trend line. These are all going to come in handy in the bull market because then we know where the next layer of support and resistance is. And I must say, I'm not sure if I've already said this in this video, but I must say, I swear on my life, when I draw lines, they stay as them lines forever. So obviously I didn't draw this line. This line was already there from, I got in around here. So it's been around the top, and it's been a long, worn out, dragged out time of a bear market. And I've known it was a bear market, and a lot of people were like, it's just a bearish trend in a bull market. And I'm like, okay, sure, your perspective says that, but you can kind of see here, this entire thing, it was nothing. There's been no bull, no bear market for XRP since 2017. So have we really moved? I'm going to say no. I'm really going to say no. Also, if you want to see my price prediction for XRP, head over to my first video on the channel because that is a very interesting video. Now, let's get straight into some Bitcoin then, shall we? Let's go and have a look. So, we open this and open Bitcoin. Now, there is a lot of drawing on this place right here. So, as you can see, I did a lot of buying up this way, selling up this way, and now, all of a sudden, we are now at the bottom, and I'm going to call it, the bear market is over. We do not get this sort of move and we're still in a bear market, right? Let's have a look. So you go to here, bear market. From top to bottom, bear market did not create another lower low. So therefore, by definition, this big candlestick right here is a bull market indication. So wow, that's absolutely amazing. And if you do that, you can see it didn't even come and retest this, like, it didn't even come and retest the area. So that's so great. Could we come back down to here? I'm going to say no. It could wick, but I'm going to say no because we've had the bottom, and this bottom seemed like a capitulation. Everybody was screaming capitulation. This was capitulation, also COVID, and this was capitulation as well. Is that a green circle there? It's a green circle. I never even bought that. Why is there a green circle there? Oh my god. Alright, so we've got this entire thing going up, bull market. Where do I think we're going to go from here? Well, we have multiple resistance lines. This one's going all the way down, and it was kind of like a support line. And then we could come back down to touch the lower half, but I really don't think we can because we've already broken out of this top resistance line. What if Bitcoin likes to just do anything dramatic, right? Let's just say it does anything out of the blue. I'm expecting it to probably decrease about, let's grab the measurement tool, and we just measure this movement right here. If we have the dump of our life, we'll probably be dumping about, I'm going to say a minimum of 25%. Minimum of 25%, and that gets us back to the trend line that we need to desperately retest, because as you can see, there has been no retest to the downside whatsoever. You got retest coming to the upside, retest to the upside, retest to the upside, retest to the upside, and there's now retest, no retest to the downside at all. Like, you need that in an uptrend, a retest to the downside. So a 20-30% correction is possible, so bear that in mind. Don't buy anything. I am not a financial advisor, so if you're using my channel as a way to buy or sell, I'm going to make it nearly impossible for you, because I am not going to be uploading daily. I have another YouTube channel. I actually have 3 YouTube channels: Tyler on Gaming, Tyler on Crypto, and Tyler on Live. So I got to keep up to all of that, and I don't have time to be sit here making YouTube videos about crypto all the time, but I will give you a nice little update every now and then, and here's just for different perspectives on where we are in the charts, right? I've overlaid this previous bull and bear market over to this one, and as you can see, we are literally at the bottom right now. We are right at the bottom, and as you can see, I bought the very bottom. And if we go to this one, the chart down here, you can see that this one I've actually had drawn out since the very top. So as you can see here, very top, and then you had a falling wedge, double top, rising wedge, bear flag, rising wedge, and then a symmetrical triangle, which then broke us to the upside, and that is where we are now. Could we really make it to around 47k by June, July? Yeah, it says we can. It's possible. We technically have done it before. I mean, we've done it once before, twice before. I think we could do it again. So, never say never. Watch this space. Like, it is going to happen. Trust me. Whether or not it's today, tomorrow, it will happen. And you will be very, very shocked. Going on through a couple things, you've got H-bar down 5%, but H-bar has been moving absolutely eloquently right now. So if we do the unlock the scale and scroll down, you can see that H-bar has, since its release, been through the falling wedge pattern, and it's literally been doing really, really great. So breaking out, remember, like I said earlier in the video, it could come back down for a retest, and if it does that, then make sure you take your profits, because unless you're expecting to take profits at higher prices, if it comes back down to retest, you're losing about 50% of your money right there, and you do not want to be doing that. So make sure you come and take some profits. But that is everything for this video. If you did like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section down below what you think will happen with Bitcoin, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.